Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I have something very special to share with all of you. Today I will show you a beautiful stitch that you will be able to use in any project that you have. In this case, I will show you how you can make a baby blanket for this coming baby that you are waiting for. Maybe you will be a grandma or for your own baby. Let's start. To start, we are going to make 90 chains, okay? With one thread and with our hook, we are going to start making these chains. For this blanket in standard size, we will use 500 grams of this material that it's a medium weight yarn. It's special for babies, and we will use the hook of number 4 millimeters, and I will make it in shades of pink. Well, we will try to make these 90 chains a little bit loose, okay? Try not to tie too much. If you feel that you crochet and you tie too much, well, I suggest that you change the number of your hook for a bigger number. Well, at the end of the 90 chains, we are going to make the Solomon's knot. So we are going to pull, turn over, bring them through, then insert the hook in the back of this first Solomon, single crochet, then again pull, bring them through, and we will come back and insert in the back of the part of the Solomon. So this is one Solomon's knot. The Solomon's knot has two pieces. We will count 3, and in the fourth space we will insert the hook and make single crochet. Again, we are going to pull, bring them through, insert the hook in the back, make single crochet. Again, pull. The secret in this stitch is that you always have to keep the same distance when you pull, okay, and single crochet. So remember that the Solomon's knot has two pieces. So here we have the second Solomon's knot. We will count 3, and in the fourth, insert your hook. Like this, the whole row. Well, at the end of the Solomon's knot row, we will turn around and we will go up with 3 chains, 2 and 3. Then turn over, and right here in the top of the first Solomon, right in the knot, we will insert the hook, and we are going to make right there inside 5 double crochets. Here we have 1, 2. As you could see, we are going to make this double crochet out of the crochet again. Take 1, take 2, and the last 2. You see, that's why it's a double crochet out of the crochet. Like this, we are going to make 5 in the same place. And well, again, after these 5 double crochet, turn over, and right away, without making any chain between, we will insert the hook right there, here in the knot, okay, not here, in the top of the next Solomon. And again, inside we are going to make 5 double crochet. Remember that this double crochet out of 3 crochet, and like this we are going to continue the whole row making segments of 5 double crochet. Well, at the end of the row of these segments of 5 double crochet, we are going to make a double crochet for the edge, okay? So like this is how we are going to close the row. Then turn around, and again we are going to repeat the row of Solomon's knot. So this is the Solomon's knot. Remember that we will take the back of this chain that we made, like kind of chain, you see? Bring them through, and then we will come back and single crochet. So this is one Solomon, and we are going to insert the hook right at the end of the segment of 5 double crochet. Okay, so like this. Again, we are going to repeat the Solomon's knot, make a single crochet, again pull at the same distance, insert your hook right in the back, and then we will insert the hook right here and single crochet, and like this the whole row. Okay, let's continue. Well, right here at the end we are going to finish with this Solomon, and then right here at the end a single crochet, then turn around, we will go up with 3 chains, and now again we are going to repeat the row of shells of the segments of 5 double crochet out of 3 crochet, remember, inside of the knot. Okay, and like this is how we are going to repeat. Remember that here we have 3, 4. Again, as you could see, this is the double crochet out of 3 crochet. Okay, so here we have 4. We are going to make the last one. Just let me count. Yes, the last one, so we can have 5. Okay, so like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, and as you could see, we are going to continue alternating the rows. And here we'll just pay attention, and it's important that we always insert the hook in the same place. Remember, right there in the top of the knot. So you are going to continue making more rows until you get the length of the blanket that you want. I suggest that you don't make it that small, but not too long, okay? A comfortable size. So that's why I will make a standard size. At the end, I will tell you how many rows I made. But well, this is up to you. This is my opinion, but you will see if you like the size or not. Also, it's different because we all crochet different. So if you made the same number of rows that I made, probably you will have a shorter blanket because you crochet more tight or so. So the secret and the beauty of this stitch is that it has two views. Here, these like bubbles, and in the other side, these shells. I did continue, and remember that these 2 rows are one series. So at the end I made 28 series, and I make 1 row of single crochet all around to continue with the next stitch. For the edge, please don't tie too much because if not it will disturb. Well, here I will show you how I made the single crochet. I made 2 single crochet inside of the bubbles like this, and 2 single crochet in the row of the Solomon's knot. So this is how I made it to not disturb the shape of her blanket. Well, at the end of the row of the single crochet, we are going to make a Solomon's knot. So we will start making a single crochet, and remember that here during the rest of the stitch we made it shorter. In this case we are going to make them a little bit longer. You see, always try to keep the same distance. So remember that the Solomon's knot has 2 pieces. Then we will count 2 spaces, and in the third single crochet, then right there we are going to start with the next Solomon. Okay, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row making this Solomon's knot. Remember, always leaving the same distance between the 2 pieces of the Solomon, and we will skip 2 spaces, and in the third single crochet. Well, here just a quick note. Here in the corners we are not going to leave 2 spaces between salmon and salmon, okay? Because if not, the shape will distort and we will have the unspoon effect. So what we are going to make is that we won't leave spaces between salmons, okay? So right away we are going to make a single crochet and start with the next salmon's knot. Okay, this is in the corner, so in all the corners we will make the same. Well, and the same way that we are making these salmons, so far here we have 2. We are going to make 4 salmons not together, so we are going to make 2 more, and we are going to repeat the same as I told you in all the corners too, to keep with the shape. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, so we are going to make 4. We are going to make 1 more here without leaving any space between, and then in the sides we are going to continue skipping 2 spaces, and in the third we will insert the hook and continue with the salmon. Okay, also relax, don't tie too much, and enjoy the stitch. Okay, as you could see here we didn't leave any space between. Well, at the end of the row we won't close the row, okay? So right away we are going to slip 1 in the top of the knot and start with the next row, okay, of Solomon's knot, and we are going to continue like this, okay? So in the top of each Solomon of the last row, right here in the top, we are going to insert the hook and continue and start right there with the next Solomon's knot. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, and in the corner we are going to make the same. We are going to make Solomon's knot over Solomon's knot. Like this we are going to make 6 rows more. This is also up to you. If you are happy with 2 rows, 3 rows, it's okay, and also according of the material that you have. But in my case I will make 6 rows and I will make 1 row more, but it will change a little bit more. So I will show you, so see you at the end of these 6 rows. Well, look, here I have 5 rows. Okay, we'll stop right here. It will depend here in the number of skeins of yarn or in the grams that you have left. In my case, I want to make 1 extra row with a different stitch for the edge that I will decorate. That will decorate the blanket that I'm making. But this will be up to you. So you will decide how many rows you need, or probably you don't want to make these rows. But well, we are going to start like this. We will make 1 chain and then, okay, so we are going to make 4 chains. Then we are going to come back to the second chain. We will insert the hook and single crochet. Then we are going to make 2 chains, and right here in the top of the next knot we are going to make a single crochet. So we are going to make the picot, okay, and like this is how we are going to finish, and this will be the last row for the edge. Again, 4 chains, then we are going to come back to the second chain and slip 1, then 2 chains. The picot can be made by slipping 1 or by making a single crochet, so try and see which way you like the most. Well, so here we finished the row. This will be the last row to decorate this beautiful blanket. I suggest that you don't iron it. It's ready to use. I want to show you, remember that in the corner we increase and we put 1 Solomon's knot after the other. So like this is how we have this effect. If not, the shape will distort. So it's very important that right there in the corner you repeat these steps to avoid the spoon effect. Well, now let's see how it looks. Well, I hope that you will enjoy making this beautiful blanket with me. I think that it will be an amazing gift for a friend, for one of your daughters, or for yourself if you are expecting a baby. You can make it in the color that you want, and it will be something beautiful that you will have or that you will give, and I promise that this person will be very happy to have this treasure with him. Well, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. It is so easy to make, and also you can use this stitch to make any other idea. Probably you can make the jacket, right? But well, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a like, and don't forget to follow me on my social media too. Stay tuned and thank you. Bye bye.